What I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the medians to this triangle, but I want to show you this is an obtuse triangle. The median's going to look a little bit different on this compared to what it looked like on an acute triangle. All right, let's start here. Okay, let's start here at this vertex and draw an altitude. Did I say median before?
Yeah.
I think I did. I meant altitude. I'm sorry. Let's draw an altitude to this side right here. Now, what's it have to be? It's got to be what? Perpendicular. That looks pretty close to perpendicular.
Hey, splitting the triangle.
Okay. Yeah, but it doesn't necessarily have to do that, all right? Okay, it doesn't always just split the side in half, so don't think it always does that. Now, so that right there is an altitude. Agreed? Now watch. If I went from here, now watch this. If I went from here and I wanted to draw it perpendicular, is there any way I can draw it perpendicular to this side? So what would I have to do? I got to come over here like this, right? But there's no side over there, so what am I going to do with that side? I'm going to extend it out. That's right. You've done this before. Remember when you were a kid?
Yeah, I remember that.
Remember when you were a kid and you did area of a triangle and you had an obtuse triangle and you had to drop down?
A kid?
Remember you had to extend out? Remember you had to extend the side? Yeah. Well, you're a kid. You're still a kid. All right, so watch.
I go back.
So watch. I'm going to take this side and extend it out, and a lot of times we show it as a dotted line, don't we? All right. So I extend the side out a little bit. Now I've got somewhere where I can drop this down to, don't I? So I can drop it right here, and there you go. So I will in a second. Okay, so watch. So there's an altitude there. Would you agree? All right, let's do the third altitude, which would be from here to its opposite side. Now look, am I going to get a right angle anywhere here? No, so what am I going to have to do? I'm going to have to go way down here like this. So what am I going to have to do to that side?
Wait, that's perpendicular.
I'm going to have to do what? I'm going to have to extend this side. Now, I'm going to try to keep this fairly straight. This may not come out perfect, but you'll get the general idea. Now look, I want to go perpendicular to this. It's not going to be up there. Tell me when it's going to be around in here somewhere.
Oh, so a little bit.
About right there?
Nah, it looks obtuse. Right.
That's close enough. Okay? But the problem is, look, these 3 points don't intersect each other, or 3 lines don't intersect each other. But if I did what to them? Extended them out a little bit more, okay, maybe they will. Now look, don't be mad at me if they don't hit perfect, because we just eyeballed these a little bit, all right? So, so that's going to be about right there, and this...
Whoa.
Yeah, that's off.
Whoa.
Watch this. I'll fix it.
Whoa.
There we go. See what I tell you? Perfect. See, look at that.
It's not on the brick.
I just, you know, boom, boom. There we go. Nobody saw that, right?
That is not a 90-degree angle.
Oh, sure it is. What are you kidding
Yeah.
me? There we go. All right, so anyway, listen to me now. This point right here is called the what?
Altitude.
The orthocenter. You know how we had something kind of cool about all 3 of the other ones? Like the circumcenter, what was it? It was equidistant from the vertices. The incenter was equidistant from the 3 sides. The, we just did it. The centroid, right, the longer side is twice as long as the shorter side. Remember we had all that? So we had cool things that happened to all of those except for this one, all right? The orthocenter doesn't really have anything cool. The only thing cool is this, is that all 3... all 3 altitudes are concurrent, okay?
That's
that they
cool.
do. Yeah, that's cool, but that was true about all the other ones as well, right? But there's really nothing special about this point. It's not equidistant from anything. It's just they just intersect. It's just there. Yeah, that's all it is. Okay, it's just there. Does that make sense?
Yeah, it makes a new triangle.
Okay.
Chris said it makes a new triangle.
All right. So you want some homework to do, don't you?
Yeah, we do. We want a whole bunch. As much as you can give us.
No one likes you when you do
Hey,
that.
I like homework. Especially when I have to do literary analysis.
It's all written out anyway. It's not like I just. It's not like I just thought of it.
I do it on Friday,
I
man.
thought it was due the Friday after Thanksgiving.
You just don't like that.
Everybody watching? Here it is. Section 5.2. There's your page numbers. Pages. And then 5 to 24. Now look, listen to me now. There are some problems in here that we didn't have enough time to completely hit. Let me try to find... No, we don't. Let me find where they are. If I can find them. Oh, there we go.
16 through 19.
Numbers like 11 and 12, 14 and 15. So watch. Now, I'm not telling you not to do these. I'm not telling you that at all. Okay, 14 and 15. These right here, we didn't... There's a lot of talking. Let's listen, please. These problems right here are... we didn't really do an example for those. Now, we did talk enough about it, but there are examples like this. Okay, so look in the book for the examples of problems that look like this. This is coordinate geometry, so you have, it's like examples 3, or actually, example 2 and 3. So if you look example 2 and example 3, that'll kind of show you how to do these. I'll tell you, they're probably the more complicated of them, but that's what we're doing. I think tomorrow what we'll do in class, we'll go over those tomorrow, so you know what we're doing. Everybody good with that? All right, that's it.
I was born good with that.
Okay, get it done for tomorrow, and we're going to go over this tomorrow. I'm going to, let's see, what am I going to do? I'm going to give you probably a worksheet tomorrow, and we're going to take a quiz on Friday. All right, so it won't be any homework over the break, but you are going to end up, shh, talking. You are going to end up with a quiz on Friday. All right, so make sure that you're here. Don't skip out early. All right, stay here, take the quiz, because you're going to have to take it when you come back after being off for a week. You don't want to do that, do you?
Yeah.
No, you don't. Okay, say bye.
Bye, guys. I love you.